So on this layout at Mad City Train Show, anyone gets to drive, and you have to follow the lights. We've got a big yard with all sorts of consists built in. Is it still red? Oh, you're on red, so you gotta wait, dude.
You got a green signal.
That's the wrong train.
You did a good job.
Did you look at the right signal?
You looked at the right one. You did 5. But he's like 4. He didn't know.
Well, then someone else told him, you got a green light, go.
He's like, no.
No, I don't.
Good.
There we go.
There we go. Awesome.
Right.
Great job.
It helps if you hit the right button.
See? And we've got a green light there. So Willie can go. Real operations. Pretty cool. Green light, what, buddy?
Green light.
There you go. Which way is it going to go?
Straight.
Good job looking for signals. Where's your next signal going to be?
He's walking with his train, Daddy. He'll get to the signal when he gets there.
Oh. Big long container train with another engine and the back is a pusher. Go ahead, hit the horn again. Oh, wait. Okay, now hit the horn. What's the next signal?
In New York.
Is it stop or go slow? Go slow.